Hello friends, myself Mr. Vishal Bajrang Dikshit from Jnanashri Institute of Engineering and Technology, Sajjangarh Road, Satara. Department is Mechanical Engineering and subject is Refrigeration and Air Conditioning. The process that I am going to share now is the refrigeration process. In previous video, in week 1 video, I have shared the refrigeration process. In that, I have discussed the effect of refrigeration system on ecosystem. In that, we have studied some parameters of refrigeration process like refrigerant and disposal procedure of old refrigerators. Now in this video, we are going to see ISO 2854 2019 standard. This ISO standard is related to thermal containers regarding safety standard for refrigerating systems using flammable refrigerants and requirements for design and operation. Now before moving towards ISO 2854, let's see what is ISO. ISO is the International Organization for Standardization. It is a worldwide federation of national standards bodies. Now let's see points covered under the ISO 2854 standard. The first point covered is the use of flammable refrigerant. Now regarding this point, this document has been developed to enable the use of flammable refrigerant in the refrigerated thermal containers. This document enables container owners and operators to understand and validate the risk associated with operating refrigerating equipment using previously non-acceptable flammable refrigerant. The second point discussed in this document is the goal of this ISO 2854 is to achieve an acceptable level of safety for container refrigerating systems using flammable refrigerants. The third point discussed related to design of mechanical refrigeration unit. Now, regarding this point, it describes the design of mechanical refrigeration unit and operation of container refrigerating system in all anticipated operational modes and locations. The fourth point discussed in the standard is the industry's best practices. It describes the industry's best practices for the safe operation of flammable refrigerants in the refrigerating system used in thermal containers operated on board ships, in terminals, on road, rail, on land, etc. And the last point discussed in this document is it is the requirement of service and maintenance. This document describes the requirements of service and maintenance when working with flammable refrigerants. It provides minimum requirements for reducing the risk of associated with the use of flammable refrigerants. Now let's see the website which describes this ISO standard. When you will reach to the website, then you can see the details regarding this document. In that you can see the scope of this ISO standard, the terms and definitions, which is very important point. The terms and definitions are start from alarm systems to the zones, extent of zones. So for more information you can see this website or you can see the document of this ISO standard. Thank you.